Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss some important definition related to the topic genetics. First is genome, second is gene and allele, third is dominant and recessive allele, fourth is phenotype and genotype, and fifth is mutation. Okay, these are the terms which comes under the topic genetics, and these are the important terms. Okay, so the first definition is genome. What is genome? Genome is the full component of collectively all the gene present in an individual is considered as genome. Okay, is the full component of collectively all the gene present in an individual is considered as genome, or you can say the sum total of gene present in an individual is known as genome of an individual. Okay, so the complete set of gene in a cell or living thing is called as a genome. Next, the very important topic is, generally children get confused to understand the difference between gene and alleles. So genes, basically genes and alleles are complementary to each other. As you know very well, the definition of gene I already explained you earlier. Okay, gene is a unit of information inside a cell which controls what the living thing will be like, and generally genes are passed from parents to children. But suppose see, suppose this is a gene. Okay, suppose this is a gene which is कंट्रोलिंग ओनली वन कैरेक्टर. क्या है? जीन है जो सिर्फ एक कैरेक्टर को कंट्रोल करता है. सपोज द कैरेक्टर इज स्किन कलर. ठीक है, सपोज इज अ जीन एंड इट इज कंट्रोलिंग ओनली वन कैरेक्टर, दैट इज अ स्किन कलर. मीन्स one gene control one character in an individual, right? Means one gene control one character in an individual. Means ह्यूमन बॉडी में देखो मिलियंस एंड ट्रिलियंस ऑफ जीन्स आर प्रेजेंट. ठीक है, मीन्स मिलियंस एंड ट्रिलियंस ऑफ जीन्स आर प्रेजेंट इन ह्यूमन बॉडी. सो वन जीन, वन सिंगल जीन कंट्रोल द वन करेक्टर. सो फॉर कंट्रोलिंग द मल्टीपल करेक्टर क्या किसकी जरूरत होगी? मल्टीपल जीन. सो इफ single gene control the one character, so multiple characters are there in the body, means multiple genes are present in our body. Okay, so suppose this is a gene which control skin color. Okay, which control skin color. अब skin color could be of multiple skin colors. बहुत सारे स्किन कलर्स होते हैं हमारे पास. कौन कौन से स्किन कलर्स होते हैं? सपोज यहाँ पे हमने दे दिया व्हीटिश, वाइट, ब्लैक, ब्राउन, एल्ब्यूमिन. ठीक है भाई, स्किन कलर तो कई तरीके के होते हैं ना. व्हीटिश भी हो सकता है, वाइट भी हो सकता है, ब्लैक भी हो सकता है, ब्राउन भी, एल्ब्यूमिन, and all multiple skin colors. And then so this is a gene, and what are these? These are the genes which is controlling one single character. क्या है? These are the genes. These are this is a gene. Sorry, this is a gene. This is a gene which is controlling one single character, that is a skin color. And what are these? Wheatish, black, brown, albumin. What are these? These are the alleles. So you can say sorry, the alternative form of gene is known as allele. ठीक है, what are these? These are alternative form of gene. So that's why this is called as allele. So the alternative form of a gene is known as allele. So the expression of gene are known as alleles. You can say the expression of gene is known as alleles. That black color, brown color, albumin, white color, so many these, whatever the colors I mentioned. So all of them are the alleles. So they are the expressions. What are these? These are the expressions. These are the expressions. They are not physically present in the body. They are just expressions. Okay, just remember this, that they are not physically present in the body. They are just expressions. So out of these alleles, wheatish, white, black, brown, albumin, suppose I have brown skin color. ठीक है ना? Suppose I have brown skin color. So it means out of these allele, this brown allele is able to express itself. ठीक है, मान लो इसमें सिर्फ हमारा ब्लैक कलर है स्किन का. So what happened? This brown allele is able to express itself. समझ आया? And has not allowed any other allele to express itself. केवल ब्राउन कलर ही एक्सप्रेस होगा क्योंकि हमारी स्किन का कलर है, बाकी सबको क्या करेगा? एक्सप्रेस होने के लिए नहीं देगा. So the allele which expresses itself and does not allow any other allele to express itself is known as a dominant allele. Is known as a dominant allele. तो ब्राउन क्या हो जाएगा? आपका dominant allele हो जाएगा. Right? So what is dominant allele? The allele which expresses itself and does not allow any other allele to express itself is known as dominant allele. ठीक है. और जो बाकी जो है, the left as a recessive alleles. The alleles which are not able to express itself is known as a recessive allele. Okay? तो आपका जीनोम हो गया, जीन एंड एलील हो गया, डोमिनेंट और रेसेसिव एलील हो गया. I hope it's clear. Next topic is phenotype and genotype. Phenotype and genotype. Phenotype and genotype. Look at the definition what I have written here. Dominant recessive alleles. Genes come in different version or alleles with the dominant alleles being expressed over recessive alleles, as I explained you. Recessive alleles are only expressed when no dominant allele is present. And in most sexually reproducing organisms, each individual has two alleles for each gene, one from each parent. Okay? Now come to the next definition, that is phenotype and genotype. Phenotype क्या होता है? The observable characters which can be seen by an individual is known as phenotype. Means जो observable characters होते हैं, जो आप assume देख सकते हैं, the you can see physically and observe characters. ठीक है? So these are the phenotypic character, the physical appearance characters. So phenotype refers क्या करेगा? Phenotype refers to the observable physical properties of an organism. These include the organism appearance, development and behavior, as in case of human beings, as in case of plants and flower and so on. So phenotype means physical characters. Physical appearance characters. And what is genotype? Genotype means genetic makeup of an individual. Genotype means genetic makeup of an individual. Means genotype may the amount of gene present, and the amount of gene present plus the type of gene present, and all this is known as genotype of an individual. Or you can say the sum total of genes present in an individual is known as genotype. So the genetic constitution of an genotype क्या है? Basically genetic constitution of an organism. Genotype determines the hereditary potentials and limitations of individual from embryonic formation through adulthood. This is genotype. Means among organisms that reproduce sexually, an individual genotype comprises the entire complex of genes inherited from both the parents. So in one word you can say the sum total of genes present in an individual known as a genotype. और phenotype क्या होता है? It means phenotype means physical appearance characters, and genotype means the sum total of gene present in an individual. This is a basic difference between the genotype and phenotype. Now the last topic is mutation. Mutation का मतलब क्या होता है? Mutation means the accidental changes which occur in the chromosomes or the genes of an individual during formation is known as mutation. ठीक है? Mutation occurs when a DNA gene is damaged or changed in such a way as to alter the genetic message carried by that gene. और जो उसके लिए एजेंट की जरूरत पड़ती, that is a mutant. That is a mutant. A mutant is an agent of substance that can bring about a permanent alteration to the physical composition of a DNA gene, such that genetic message is changed. अब why do we need mutation? क्यों चाहिए mutation? क्यों होना चाहिए? Mutation plays an important role in evolution, the ultimate source of all genetic variation and mutation. Okay, and mutation is important as the first step of evolution because it creates a new DNA sequence for a particular gene and creating a new allele. Okay, so this is all for today, the important definitions. I hope you understand it very well. Thank you.